Hey guys, it's me. So I know I haven't done a video in like a couple weeks, and it sucks that this is the one that I'm uploading. So I have made a very tough decision. Go. So Saturn, is going to be going to a new home, in about, I don't know, I don't even have my watch, about 45 minutes or so. I've had Saturn since 2014, and I got her as a puppy. You guys probably have seen her in a few of my videos, or older videos especially. She's probably in some of those. I'm trying to pull myself together before the lady gets here. And I haven't really cried about it like at all this week. We made the decision like last weekend. It's been a couple weeks. I had her posted on a place on Facebook, and these really, really nice people saw my post and wanted to meet her. And so these are just like, I'll do a sit down talk like in this video. Actually, after she leaves, I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm gonna pull my freaking self together and explain why I'm doing this tough decision. Because I love my animals a lot. And you have grass all over you. And she is a really good, loving, caring dog. But we just don't think that we are any longer the situation that she needs in her life. So she's gonna go to a new home, and these are like my last little bit of loves before she goes. I have to give her a hug for my mom, and a hug for Shane, and a hug for Jordan. Just extra hugs for myself. And I don't know if she knows it yet, and I'll show you guys like kind of the stuff that I'm gonna be sending with her. I mean, I think that she kind of knows because she's been all over me a lot, but anyway, so I'm giving away this toy. It's like a weird little dragon dinosaur toy, and all the arms are ripped off, but it's one of her favorite toys, and she just got this one for Christmas, and it's a really good toy still, but yeah, she kind of like went ham on it already and ripped the squeaker out. I'm gonna give that one with her because it's one of her new favorites. My cat's having fun with catnip. My mom gave me this leash for her when she was a puppy, and I've had it ever since. And then her harness, her medication for her chicken allergy, and all of her documents and like vaccination records, that kind of thing. So yeah, anyway, this has been a really tough decision for me, mainly because I've had her for so long, and I never thought that I would get rid of her. And yeah, so this is kind of just a random video of me just crying a whole bunch, telling you guys that I love her. And yeah, this is kind of like my last few minutes with her, so I'm gonna go and I will do a sit down like talk later and just like cry it all out. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as I was saying in that previous clip, I gave my dog away basically to a really great family, or someone that I saw fit. And you'll have to excuse me, I'm super tired right now after I cried a lot. So I'm like, my eyes are dry. I'm like, I'm just exhausted. But anyway, so I decided it was best for our family. Saturn, she has always been a rambunctious dog. She's always been a dog that's needed a lot of attention and a lot of energy. And while I can fulfill the attention and stuff, the energy I couldn't, just because we couldn't leave her locked, or I mean out all day, because her and Shane's corgi would get in fights. And it was so bad that this poor corgi has been to the vet so many times for like a couple different things, you know? So I might have to film this another time, guys. It's just, it hasn't been easy to just make this decision. This decision has been coming for a while now. I would say at least the last year. And it just, I made up my mind. I want her to be able to be with someone that has energy, that goes out and does things, that has fun as a family and has a lot of yard space or area for the house. And these people that we chose really fit everything we were looking for. And the best part was it was like the first person who messaged us, and she couldn't read everything, so I had to give her like I gave her a lot of details about Saturn. I wanted her to know that Saturn can be tough at times, that she does come from a stressful past, but still let her know that this dog is an amazing dog. Saturn is smart. Saturn has a personality. She thinks she's a lap dog, and she was my first dog by myself. And it was hard to give her away. But it was needed, and I didn't give her away because I don't love her, because I do a lot. And just want her to have a happy rest of her dog life and all of that. You know, I want her to know that I love her, and I can go out and visit her whenever, so that's nice. And they live by like the lake that I like to go to, so that's super convenient. And they're just really awesome people. They've never picked who is boss, basically. And because of that, it just caused a lot of stress on both of the dogs. I don't know how many other people have gone through this, but basically there's just so much stress. They just didn't get along. Now, Vincent and Saturn got along really well. And I feel like that was mainly because because Vincent is kind of just like a doesn't care type of dog. And that's great. I think that's what Saturn's needing. And that's how I feel like this border collie is. She's kind of just a happy-go-lucky dog, like just likes whatever. Not that I know her so well, but from our first interaction, she's super relaxed. And so I'm hoping that Saturn just is like, hey, like coming into their house, I just hope it's good. I hope that she does well. They have 2 horses, and Saturn gets to meet the horses. And they've got a little miniature pony and a regular sized horse. I thought it would take a little bit for Saturn to warm up to them, but it didn't take that long at all. They sent me pictures already, and if I can't include them because there's someone else, you know, and I want to keep their privacy. And she was already on his lap. Like, she is timid and scared around men for reasons of the past, and it usually takes her a long time. And she was sitting on his lap, and I also told her that it might take a little bit for her to like lick her on the face, because I remember the first time I kissed Saturn on the face, I was in the bathtub and she nipped at me, and she got my lip. And I didn't understand why, but I realized, oh my God, I've never kissed her on her face before. Like, I've never done that. I've always felt like that was her area. I just never did. And so, of course, I was really upset with her. Sorry guys, I got something in my eye. But later on, I took a bath a few nights later, and she came in, and I put my face out and put a kissy face, and she licked me. So then I gently grabbed her and like gave her a kiss on her cheek, and then she enjoyed it. Well, I didn't think that she would kiss somebody else like that so quickly, but she did. She like licked this woman all over the face. Like, I know you, but it's so sweet and so cute, and I'm just so happy that she looks happy. Then I decided I was gonna go out and splurge on Vincent and Riley a little bit. My coping mechanism with stress or depression or anxiety, unfortunately, is the worst one of all, and it's shopping. It's the only thing that kind of fixes the problem, and it's all material things. Half the time I wind up returning the stuff that I buy, but I think that in the time it sounds nice to be able to do. So I went and found some clearance stuff. I found a little sweatshirt that says Barely Awake, and it's got a bear, and it's like a hoodie with little bear ears for Vincent. I got him a new blue and like a little bit darker than my nails, so blue and red collar, and I got him a new little name tag, and it's a little puppy paw print. It's so cute. And then Riley, I got her a new jacket slash sweater thing. It's got like fleece on the inside, so it's nice and warm. And then I got her a really pretty like vintage pink colored collar, and I got her a bright hot pink heart with her name on it and our phone numbers and stuff. Don't forget to like this video. If you did and want to see more just like it, you can subscribe. And not only can you subscribe, but there is a notification bell listed below, and if you click that notification bell, it will tell you each time that I upload a video, and you can be the first to see my new upload. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.